Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this short tutorial I will discuss about if you are iPhone user and you are trying to download any application from the App Store and you are facing this problem, verification required. So how to fix this problem? So keep watching this video until the end. So first of all guys, make sure check your internet connection or network connection and tap on general and scroll down, tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset network setting. Guys, any problem inside your network on your iPhone will be solved after reset network setting. This is a first method. I hope your problem will be solved if your problem coming due to network. So after that, this is the main reason of this problem. Open setting application on your iPhone, and here is tap on Apple ID name. Here tap on it, simply tap on payment and shipping. So wait for some seconds. Is asking your Apple ID password. Enter your Apple ID password. After simply tap on sign in top right corner. Wait for some second again. So guys, enter your payment method. If you have already entered your payment method, so change or update your payment method. Guys, if you don't have your payment information for here, simply go on Google and search fake payment information. After that you can put here. This is not main issue. He's accepting your fake payment methods. After go back, and I hope your problem will be solved after this setting guys, because this is a main issue due to payment information. Please like my video, subscribe to my channel for the latest more updates.